Hey everyone, it's Michelle, and today I'm going to be playing with a bunch of new makeup, new to me makeup. Some of it's not like brand new on the market, but I haven't used it yet, so yeah. Pretty much makeup that I got during Black Friday or Cyber Monday. My Black Friday unboxing should be live by now, so you'll know what I got. So yeah, let's just go ahead and get into it. To save time, I did my brows because I didn't get a new brow product, and then I laid some crease down with the Dose of Colors Marvelous Mauves because the only new eyeshadow palette I got was the Morte palette from Melt, but I already just did a video on that, so I figured I'd go more neutral today. Well, mauve. Which means I'm gonna start with some Dose of Color. So if you saw my unboxing, I got Anna's Essential Kit from Dose of Colors, and in it came a Block Party shadow. The shade is Shell We Dance, not Shall, Shell. And I've never used one of their Block Party shadows, but if I can get it open, there we go. I'm gonna put it all over the lid. It looks super pretty. Yeah, I figured it would go with these tones. Safe bet, Michelle. I'm surprised at how pink this is. When I ordered it, it really looked more of like a champagne. I really thought it would be a champagne or light gold. I'm not mad. I'm just surprised. It's very pink. Super pretty though. I'm also gonna take the eyeliner that came in the kit called Pencil Me In. It's like a gray. Don't pull your eyes down when you're doing eyeliner. I'm just a rebel who likes wrinkles. All right, moving right along to the base. I just got this in from Good Molecules. This is the silicone-free priming moisturizer. I think I legally have to say this is PR. Like there's a bunch of new rules with PR. I always do say when it's PR, but you're supposed to have like a million disclaimers, and then I think I have to put it in the description. I don't know, man. I did not pay for this. The brand Good Molecules did send this to me very graciously. I actually didn't put a moisturizer on because I'm like, is this a moisturizer or a primer? Is it both? Oh, it's got a pump. That's cool. I've never used this before, clearly. And even though it is PR gifted, that's not gonna make me say it's, you know, just good because I got it for free. As always, I'm very honest with my stuff. It's silicone free. It almost kind of feels like a silicone primer, but more hydrating. That's pretty cool. Okay. I mean, it's kind of hard to review a primer slash moisturizer right off the bat because I don't know if it's doing anything, but so far so good. It's not really tacky, just hydrating, but not overly hydrating. I don't know how to explain it. All right, well, there's that. For foundation, I'm not really going in with foundation. I'm actually going to use the ColourPop Pretty Fresh Tinted Moisturizer. So I do have a whole review up on this tinted moisturizer. However, again, if you saw my unboxing of my Black Friday stuff, I got a deeper shade because my other shade was too light, so I would like have to mix it. I really want to just use this on its own because I do think the coverage is beautiful. This is the shade Fair 4N, and before I got Fair 1N, so big difference on the shade. And as you can see, I'm like just freaking pimple city. So this is a tinted moisturizer. It won't cover it completely, but whatever. God, this stuff's so nice. It's so hydrating, and I've even seen reviews of people with oily skin use it and they love it. So I don't know. I have normal to dry skin and I think it's fantastic. And this shade matches so much better. All right, that's pretty even. Obviously, you can still see my pimples, but I knew what I was getting into going into this, so that's fine. All right, this also isn't new to me. What is this video even called? So this is the Pretty Fresh Hyaluronic Creamy Concealer from ColourPop. And again, I used it in a video, but I feel like I didn't really get like my full, I don't know what I'm trying to say. I feel like I really wanted to use it with the tinted moisturizer, but because the shade was too light, I couldn't. So now I feel like I can. That's what I'm trying to say. And I haven't used it much since that video because I don't know why. I just haven't. Maybe because I have too many choices or I always reach for something full coverage, but not today. I want to use them together and see how they do. Again, still not the most full coverage concealer, but that's okay. Oh man, I just got concealer in my hair. Fuck. Well, there's that. I don't have any new powder, so don't mind me. Okay, for bronzer, I'm gonna take the new Coconut bronzer. This is the shade Coconut Beach. I've never used a bronzer from ColourPop before. I'm just hoping it's not patchy. I'm just gonna go in light at first. It's taken a while to blend out. Why did I wear my hair down? Remind me not to wear my hair down next time. Alright, that wasn't so bad. Alright, I'm gonna put a little bit of shadow on the lower lash line, do some blush, and I'll be back for highlight. Alright, I have so many new highlight options. I think I'm honestly gonna try this Soul Shimmering Body Powder in the shade Platinum. It's from, well, ColourPop, Soul, whatever. One of their sister brands, and it's supposed to be for face and body. I'm gonna give it a whirl. Oh, it's really glittery. Nope, 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 nope. All right, let's try the Dominique Cosmetics one. This is the Prismaglow Highlight Palette. I just got this. And I'm gonna take the shade Pink Haze. Much better. Oh shit, really powdery. It's a really pretty pink highlight. I'm also gonna pop it in my inner corner. Okay, that's pretty. Also new to me is this ColourPop BFF lip liner. I'm not a big lip liner person. Clearly. We'll see how that goes. Then for lipstick, I think I'm gonna use the one I got from Melt. The shade is Nude, and I've pretty much been dying to put it on since I got it. That is really nice. I forgot there was a gloss I wanted to use though. Shit. My new Persona gloss. This shade is Shortcake and I haven't used it yet. I'm just gonna put it on top of it, whatever. Their glosses smell so good. Ooh, that's good gloss. I think that's actually a really pretty lip combo. Okay, I just went and put mascara on off camera. Real quick, I want to take this big ass highlighter and put it on my clavicle or something because I feel like I should give it a fair shot. It does say body highlight, but everywhere online, I swear it said face and body highlight. I know it did. So I'm just gonna take it on this Wayne Goss brush. Use the right side. Yeah. I mean, it honestly just looks a little shimmery. I don't know, I'm not impressed with this. Should I put on my boobies? I don't know. Not impressed with this. Everything else though, the lip gloss, the lipstick, the bronzer, tinted moisturizer, I mean, everything's good. This lid shimmer shade is really pretty. Can't even talk. The primer was fine. I know this was a boring video, but sometimes your girl's just basic. I don't know. We could take a few seconds to talk about our lives, I guess. Let me think. Same old same with me. I'm kicking butt in the gym. I'm eating everything in sight like I'm not supposed to be. I'm supposed to be tracking my macros, but we went out this weekend. And I had a cookie today, so I mean... But I do really good at the gym. Balance? I don't know. Anyway, that's all I got. This is my face, trying some new products. Hope you enjoyed it. Thank you guys so much for watching. I love you guys so much, and I'll see you later. Bye!